Gold yesterday has created another bullish candle. Based on the yesterday analysis, where I have mentioned that there is very important information for the bulls and also for the bears to go above this area, which will be around 2505 and 2504, and below that would be around 2492, where we can see this support and the resistance level on the daily time frame between important resistance at 2525 and 2474. We can see that the price has formed another bullish candle like the day before that, and it has closed right here where is the open and close price of these two candles, which is also a very important resistance level on the daily basis right now. But also currently what we can see, the price is trying to move even higher, and it has touched the start of this supply zone around 2525.80, which is just information that there is enough bullish strength here and there is less strength of the sellers, because we can see the price has not created a strong wick on the upper side and then written back down. For now, the price is steady moving up, which means another bullish strength. Now, what we can expect today? Now, we're expecting that the price will reach again 2525.80, a resistance level, but will it break above? It depends. It depends, will be enough strength or not. We'll see today how it goes, but it is very important for the price in order to continue to rise in value to make a bullish breakout. But after the bullish breakout happens, if it happens are above 2525, it will be very important to be confirmed the next day, which means the next day candle should not return back below 2525.80. If it stays above, we can see that the next resistance level will be 2550.00 on the daily basis. But we'll see what happens on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame on the daily basis, intraday trading, to see how the price will behave around 1-hour and 4-hour resistance levels, which are very important. If it breaks on the 1-hour time frame, a bullish breakout, it will suggest further rise in value. But also, if there is some kind of a support, for example this one or this one here, it will be very important to see how the price behaves and what kind of candle formations has been created at that support or resistance levels. For now, it looks like bullish, but we'll see what happens around this resistance level, because we can see the past for first, second, the third, and this will be the 4th time. For the 3 times, the price has retraced back down all the way back here to 2492, and then again bouncing back up. We'll see what happens today and how the day closes, but much more information will be on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, which will be shared inside the community. This is all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.